So I thought I'd cut some stuff up. See how it looks. Trying out something new here. I wish something could hold this camera up. I'll do this, but yeah, I was cutting. That takes about like half an hour or almost an hour to cut this up without cutting myself. And I would suggest, if someone was thinking about doing this, if you're cutting it with this, before you cut these little pieces out from here, you could grab something like this. It's like a smart electrician. You grab it before it flies off, so it doesn't fly off. You should grab it and then bend it a little bit. Like right before, if you cut this whole thing off, right before you reach completion, you just grab it and bend it. And bend it toward downwards instead of towards your face. That way it doesn't fly off or, yeah. And that's why I collect these containers, because this is the scraps. And I'm going to do something with them if they're a little bit big enough to make bales. Make bales with them. Yeah, and I'm bending this right now. These are from jump rings for like dog tags. I'm gonna see what I can do with these, because it's kind of hard to find a wiring that's flattened. I'm gonna flatten it and see what I can do with it. But yeah, like, these are okay, so I thought these were like 1.5, but they're like 2.25 inches long. And how wide? Oh, sorry. Let's see. About 1.5. No, yeah, about 2.25 long, and then 1.5 inches wide. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you.